All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be doing a PLR Monster Easy PLR Store review. I know that there are a lot of people that have subscribed to Teach Me Money Methods because I have a lot of videos about how to make money with PLR products. So this is a perfect product to go over and show you. I do have access to it and we will be looking at this. I also have some really cool bonuses for you. I'm going to briefly go through those, but you can see we're going to be building a PLR product store that has 50 high quality products that are already going to be ready for your customers inside of it. So you're going to be able to get this hooked up really quickly. Super cool. We're going to go look at all this real quick. Before I do that, I'm going to show you my unique bonuses for Easy PLR Store. We've got this one right here. Bonus number one, I actually just made this fresh yesterday for this product. This is my six top methods to make money from PLR. And this is recorded by me, so it's not like a bonus that you can get anywhere else. These are custom made bonuses that I push record and I teach you something of value. And in this case, it's six methods that every single method that I teach in here, I've actually made money with PLR with. So this is very valuable and very relevant to Easy PLR Store product. Bonus number two, you're going to need to learn how to rank your PLR store on Google to get more traffic to it. And once you get traffic to it, then when people are coming, you have a steady amount of traffic coming to your site, then that's when you're going to be able to get people to sign up to your monthly membership or buy your PLR and so forth. So this is an SEO and ranking tracking tactics. Here we go. This one right here is what I would do if I had to start all over again. This is a unique bonus right here, 25-minute training that basically teaches you exactly if I had to start my six-figure business over again, what would I do is regarding affiliate marketing, how would I go out there and start making money? And I just basically, in a nutshell, show you how I just basically turn the key on and have $500 days. So really cool stuff right there. And then this course niche research method right here, this is going to be great because this kind of coincides with some of the method 6 over here. Just think about courses and PLR, and that's all I'm going to say, but this is going to be super relevant right here. Bonus number 4. And then bonus number 5, this is a brand new video training series with 10 high quality videos about video marketing. So all of these are related. This can even help you go and get traffic to your PLR store using video marketing. So all you have to do is just click on any of these green buttons and go pick up Easy PLR Store with my link, and you'll get all 5 of these bonuses right off the bat, right away. I also have this link right here that if you click on this link, it'll show you full images and a tutorial how to get your bonuses instantly. All right, so let's jump in. This is the sales page of PLR Monster. PLR Monster, they have their own PLR store and site. They sell PLR products, so they are experts in PLR. And right now they are basically building a store that's going to be preloaded with 50 products for your customers to be able to go and shop and purchase from you, right? You'll be able to set the pricing and do everything that you want right here. So if you ever wanted to go big with your own PLR store, but have been put off by the cost, the time, the knowledge, and the amount of hard work involved, then we guarantee you are going to love what we're about to show you. Yes, we've created a complete done for you PLR store with 50 PLR products ready to turn you an income by completing one simple step. And really, it's as simple as typing your name into the custom admin panel. Simply watch the 30-second video below, and we'll show you how simple it is to start your PLR earning you an income. So we're going to go and watch this real quick.
Hey guys, Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to customize the entire store so that you get paid. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much detail. I'm going to keep it very short and sweet. Okay, so I'm inside of the admin area that you get. Okay, and I'm just going to go into one of the settings here. So this is design basic settings. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and change any of the other settings. Obviously, you get a lot of options in here, but I'm just going to go ahead. Well, in fact, first of all, I'll show you this. Okay, so it's currently got Easy Builder as the ClickBank ID in there. Okay, so let me just go to the store. I'm just going to refresh that page just so you know that this is the page that we are currently on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these products. Okay, so we'll click on that one, and if the potential customer decides to buy, they click add to cart. Okay, and now you'll notice right at the bottom here, it's got the affiliate ID, Easy Builder. Okay, so that was the ID that is in the settings inside the website here. Okay, so that is the ID that gets paid. Okay, so right now I'm going to go back and change this to another ID. Let's say this was your ID. Okay, I'm going to put my ID in here. Okay, so that's my ID, and we'll go ahead and click save. Okay, and that's it. That's all you really need to do. Obviously, you can mess about with all the settings that you want. You can change the entire sales page if you want to. You can everything's just click and edit. Just click and type. Nothing difficult in there whatsoever. But all we're going to do for now is just change that so that you get paid. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that's save again. I'm going to go back to the store. All right, I'm just going to go and refresh. Okay, so I refresh that and I'll click on a different product. Click here to check it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and buy that. And you'll see at the ClickBank order page at the bottom, the affiliate ID is now the one that I have just entered in there. Okay, so that is the ID that gets paid, and that's all you really need to do. Okay, so keeping it very simple, that's the only part that you need to change. Obviously, you can change any other part that you want, 100% customizable, but the only part that you really need to change that you get paid is one simple part. Okay, it takes literally seconds to change.
All right, so as you can see how easy that's going to be to get your site up and running. We're going to scroll through. This is what the site is going to look like. Super cool, high quality, nice green buttons, and just a really nice slick layout right here. That's going to help convert your visitors into buyers. We're going to keep going down right here and just kind of look. This is pretty much the sales page. This might be on a dime sale, I believe. It's going for $28.68 at the time of recording, but it looks like that price is continuing to go up every 10 sales and so forth. So we're going to go into the inside the product dashboard right here. You're going to get a welcome with your name right here, and you're going to get an offer right here where you can get 80% off of this PLR blowout. You're going to get another video right here. It looks like they're actually getting into physical PLR. That's really crazy and cool, and so forth. And then they have a PLR monster where you can get a bunch more PLR to add to your store, $50,000 worth, in fact. So you can go and click on the Easy PLR Store. This is where you're going to download your Easy PLR Store. It's going to download into a file, and they're going to show you how to do all this. They have all the instructions. You're going to go right here. They're actually giving you a free Easy Page Builder site license that if you don't have access to that software, that's a software that they manage and built themselves. But for Easy Page Builder or for Easy PLR Store purchasers, you will get a free site license, right? So they're not making anything difficult for you. You're going to be able to get your site up and running using their Easy software to host it right there. So really, really cool. I like that. And then you have the instructions, literally 6 steps right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Boom. And a video right there to get your store up and running. Super simple. And down here, pay attention to this part right here. If you would like to use their hosted version of Easy PLR Store, that's a lot more basic, but eliminates the need for web hosting, then get in touch here and we'll get back to you with details. Super cool stuff. That's how easy it is. And then they have video training right here. So there's 5 modules of video training. You'll see right here the ebook conversion. So this is a 30-minute video that's showing you how to change out the graphics, change out anything with the text, and how to basically modify the PLR if that's what you want to do. Video training module number 2. And then this is going to be the site and page compilation, compiling your pages and adding the important elements to the page, including the download pages. So it's just more training. I mean, look at all the depth that they go into. You can get it set up really, really quickly, but if you want to do customizations and so forth, they have all that training in here. They also have adding your products to the marketplace right here. And then module number 4, they have affiliate recruitment and product launches. So you can go out and you can launch these on Warrior Plus or ClickBank. And they have all these other resources down here. 18 ways to recruit an affiliate, pre-launch strategies, mind map, pre-launch pocketbook, the JV Black Book, etc., etc. And then module number 5 right over here. They have traffic, how to get traffic to your website. Super cool stuff. I'm going to come over here to upgrades as well. And you can see that they have a bunch of different upgrades that you can, monthly PLR packs, graphic packs, just all kinds of good stuff right there. And then they have a nice resources section that has everything that you learn about in the course all laid out right here, all the tools that you need and so forth. So they even have an extra bonus 150,000 articles with PLR rights right here. So really, really cool stuff. They put together a nice laid out membership area. You're going to be getting a really cool membership, PLR membership site that looks like this. Super cool stuff. If you decide to pick up Easy PLR Store and you've always wanted to have a PLR store that you can go out and start ranking content on Google, get organic traffic and have people coming and buying your PLR products from you. Really, really cool stuff. Then this is the product for you. Remember, if you do pick up Easy PLR Store with my link, you'll get my 5 custom bonuses right here. I appreciate your time and I'll see you in the next video.